I'm a 40-year-old lawyer and a mother. In my world, time isn't just money, it's survival. Every weekend, while my parents watch the baby, I have exactly 2 hours to reset my life. This isn't just housework. This is project management. I prep a whole week's worth of meals and deep clean the house in 120 minutes. I'm not a professional chef, honestly. Cooking isn't my strength. But I execute the process with legal precision. Why'd I push myself this hard? I do it to buy time. I'm buying hours for my career, for my legal tech dreams, and most importantly, for my 13-month-old son. I just hope he enjoys the food I've made with such urgency. Even my dog, James, seems to love this rare, focused time we spend together. When the timer hits 0, the delivery must be made. The food goes to my baby, and the system is set for the coming week. I don't find time, I make it. If you're a high performer fighting for your dreams and your family, you're not alone. Subscribe for more systematic living. Time's up. Back to being a mom.